In this video, we're going to clear up the exact relief that COPA is praying for inside the COPA v. Wright trial coming up in about less than 2 weeks. There's been a lot of talk back and forth about like what is and what isn't being asked for. And it's just, let's go back to the original charging instrument. It's very, very simple. It's very actually just basically comes down to three sentences. And we can clear this whole thing up. First, this stems from an article that Zem Gao had just put out actually today, which I'll have to talk about later on in the week, when I get a chance. It's pretty extensive, but it's, it's important to just go right back into the order. Now, right back into the complaint. So the operative instrument in this case is actually from the September 19th, 2023 amended particulars claim as ordered by the court on September 19th, 2023 at hearing, which was then filed, and COPA put in their amended particulars claim. There was some stuff filed after that about the, which is amended with the forgery allegations, but it doesn't appear to have changed the relief requested. So let me just pull that up and go through it right now to set the record straight. The scope of the relief sought, and what they want to do is they want the court to declare as a matter of law, it's really called a declaratory relief action or a declaratory judgment. They want the court's declaration as a matter of law for the following: a declaration that Wright is not the author of the Bitcoin white paper, a declaration that Wright is not the owner of the copyright in the Bitcoin white paper, and a declaration that any use by the claimant of the Bitcoin white paper will not infringe any copyright owned by Wright. That's ultimately what it comes down to. Those are the declarations, the relief that's sought. So, summary: a declaration that Wright is not the author of the Bitcoin white paper, a declaration that Wright is not the owner of the copyright on the Bitcoin white paper, and a declaration that that any use by the claimant, COPA, of the Bitcoin white paper will not infringe the copyright owned by Wright. So that's really what's going to be, they want have cleared up. And then it's very similar on the, just opposite of that, of course, from Wright and a number of other matters. But ultimately, it's the Satoshi trial, the identity trial, because Satoshi is the author of the white paper. So that's clears this up. It's just confusing, proving a negative and all these things. I mean, really, it's just, let's just get right down. That's the operative instrument. That's exactly the relief that's requested. And I will post a link to that where you can read it. It's only about 25 pages on that one. I think it's pretty, it's pretty basic. And, and also shout out to the bitcoindefense.org team. They're the ones that are able to post the docket and the actual record here. So appreciate that. All right. So if you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video. Please let's get the word out there about what's really going on and uncrack this thing. I'm going to have on, looks like I'm going to have Michael Middleton on tomorrow. We're going to do Sharon Rhodes on Wednesday. I've got, I've got James Belding on the following Monday. I want to get John Pitts on to ask him some questions about his blog. I really like to do something regular with him, and I need to get on with CoinGeek, find out what exactly the plan is for the trial and what their plan is. People are asking me about all about that. So be sure to share this, get the word out there, and I'll put a hand cash link in the below for Bitcoin SV tips. This is Gavin Mehl, and I'll see you guys at the top.